Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about the difference between covered call ETFs and dividend ETFs. Number 1. Covered call ETFs are ETFs that own assets and sell call options on them, whereas dividend ETFs are ETFs that mainly hold dividend-paying stocks. Number 2. Covered call ETFs usually generate income from option premiums along with some dividends, whereas dividend ETFs mainly generate income from the dividends paid by the companies they hold. Number 3. Covered call ETFs often offer a higher current yield, whereas dividend ETFs usually offer a more moderate yield depending on their holdings. Number 4. Covered call ETFs have partly capped upside when markets rise strongly, whereas dividend ETFs usually participate more fully in rising markets. Number 5. Covered call ETFs generally have lower long-term capital growth potential, whereas dividend ETFs usually offer better long-term growth potential. Number 6. Covered call ETFs often work best in flat or mildly bullish market conditions, whereas dividend ETFs often benefit more from steady business growth and broader market growth. Number 7. Covered call ETFs may experience reduced volatility because option premiums can provide some cushion, whereas dividend ETF volatility depends more directly on the stock holdings and sectors inside the fund. Number 8. Covered call ETFs may hold an index or stocks while also writing call options, whereas dividend ETFs mainly focus on holding companies with dividend-paying histories or attractive yields. Number 9. Covered call ETF distributions may come from option premiums, dividends, and sometimes gains, whereas dividend ETF distributions mainly come from dividends. Number 10. Covered call ETF income can vary depending on option activity and market volatility, whereas dividend ETF income depends more on company dividend policies. Number 11. Covered call ETFs usually have more limited capital appreciation, whereas dividend ETFs can deliver stronger capital appreciation over time. Number 12. Covered call ETFs may involve more complex tax treatment in some cases, whereas dividend ETFs usually have simpler dividend-focused tax treatment. Number 13. Covered call ETFs are often best for investors seeking high current income, whereas dividend ETFs are often best for investors seeking a combination of income and growth. Number 14. The main trade-off in covered call ETFs is more income but less upside, whereas the main trade-off in dividend ETFs is more growth potential but usually a lower yield. Number 15. The typical goal of covered call ETF investors is to maximize cash flow with a more defensive equity strategy, whereas the typical goal of dividend ETF investors is to build passive income and long-term wealth growth. So, in simple words, covered call ETFs focus more on generating higher current income by using options, whereas dividend ETFs focus more on collecting dividend income with better long-term growth potential. On the other hand, covered call ETFs may suit investors who want stronger cash flow today, whereas dividend ETFs may suit investors who want a balance of income and future portfolio growth. For educational purposes only, returns, risks, taxes, and fund strategies vary by country and investment type. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.